So children, so look at the screen, count and write. So children, so here three problems are given. So see the first problem here. So in the first problem, you are observing flowers. So there are some groups of flowers. So children, how many groups of flowers are there? So this is the first group, second group, third group, and fourth group, and fifth group. So there are total 6 groups of flowers. So how many groups of flowers are there? 6 groups of flowers. So number of groups is equal to 6. So write 6 in this box. So children, next step is number of flowers in each group. So each group has how many flowers? So each group has 2 flowers. That is, one is pink colored flower and yellow colored flower. So each group has 2 flowers. So write 2 in this box. So how many flowers are there in each group? Each group has 2 flowers. So write 2 in this box. So children, so how can we get the total number of flowers? So how can we get the total number of flowers? So we can get the total number of flowers by multiplication. Here each group has the same number of objects. If each group has the same number of objects, we can multiply. So how can we multiply? So total number of flowers is equal to, so number of groups into number of objects in each group. How many number of groups are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are there. So write 5 in this box. And how many flowers are there in each group? There are 2 flowers in each group. So write 2 in this box. So children, 5 into 2, 5 2s are, children, how much? 10. So total, how many flowers are there? Total 10 flowers are there. That means we have to add 2 5 times. So that 5 times 2 can be written as 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. So children, in this way, so write the answer for the second problem. So what is the second problem? Here you are observing some brushes. So paint brushes you are observing in the second problem. So how many groups of paint brushes are there? So here you are observing 2 groups of paint brushes. So this is the first group, this is the second group. So there are 2 groups of paint brushes. That is, the number of groups is equal to 2. So write 2 here. And number of brushes in each group. Children, how many brushes are there in each group? 1, 2, 3. So each group has 3 paint brushes. So number of brushes in each group is equal to 3. So children, so how can we get the total number of brushes? So that is, total number of brushes can be obtained by multiplication. So how can we multiply? So first write the number of groups. How many groups are there? 2. So write 2 first. And number of paint brushes in each group. How many brushes are there in each group? 3. So write 3 here. So 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. So write 6 in this box. So children, so there are total 6 paint brushes in the 2 groups. So children, see the next third problem. So here you are observing apples. So there are some groups of apples in this picture. So how many groups of apples are there? So this is the first group, this is the second group, and this is the third group. So total there are how many groups of apples there? 3 groups of apples are there. That is, the number of groups is equal to how many groups? 3. So there are 3 groups. So write 3 here. And number of apples in each group. Children, how many apples are there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each group has 4 apples. So write 4 in this box. Then how can we get the total number of apples? We can get the total number of apples by multiplication. So total number of apples is equal to, so what number we have to write here? The first number is number of groups. How many number of groups are there? 3. So write 3 in the first box. And what we have to write in the second box? We have to write number of apples in each group. How many apples are there in each group? 4 apples. So write 4 here. That is 3 into 4. 3 4 jar. Children, how much? Yes, 12. So 3 4 jar 12. So total there are 12 apples are there. So children, so this is the examples for how to convert addition into multiplication. So let us enter the next section in this chapter. That is multiplication on the number line. So multiplication on the number line. So children, already you have learnt about number line. So how the number line will be, how to draw the number line, and how to do the additions on the number line, and how to do the subtractions on the number line. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn how to multiply two numbers on the number line. So what is the number line? So number line is a straight line, and we have to mark numbers from 0 to something on the number line. So this is called the number line. So let us practice, that is, let us see how to multiply two numbers on a number line. So let us see an example, that is 4 into 5. That is 4 5 jar. Children, how much you will get? So you will get 20. So you have to do this multiplication on the number line. So how can we do the multiplication on the number line? So children, so listen carefully. So what is the first number here in the multiplication? So 4 is the first number. That means, so we have to move 4 steps. So we have to cross 4 numbers in each step. How many numbers we have to cross? We have to cross 4 numbers in each step. And how many steps we have to move? So what is the second number here? 5. The second number represents number of steps we have to move forward. So here the second number is 5. That means we have to move 5 steps forward on the number line. And for each step, how many numbers we have to cross? We have to cross 4 numbers for each step. So let us see an example. So on the number line, we have to start from 0 first. And starting from 0, we have to move 5 steps. That is 1. This is step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. So we have moved 5 steps. And in each step, how many numbers we have crossed? We have crossed 4 numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first step. Again count 4 numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the second step. And again count 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the third step. And again count the 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth step. So for each step, we have to cross 4 numbers on the number line. And after 5 steps, finally we have reached a number 20. And this 20 becomes answer. That is 4 5 are 20. So children, so do you understood how to do the multiplications on the number line? So let us practice some more problems on the number line. Then you will get a better understanding how to do multiplications on the number line. So children, see the section. So this is the exercise part. Multiply the following using the number line. So here they have given 4 problems. So that is 4 multiplications which have to be done on the number line. So see the first problem. So 6 into 4. So children, 6 4 jar how much? Now we have to do this multiplication on the number line. We have to multiply these 2 numbers on the number line. How can we multiply? So remember, what is the first step? So start from 0. And how many steps we have to move? So see the second number here. What is the second number? 4. That is, we have to move 4 steps forward. And for each step, how many numbers you have to cross? you have to cross 6 numbers for each step. So start from 0 and cross 6 numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to 6, that is the first step. And again count 6 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second step is up to 12. So in this way, so move 4 steps forward on the number line, and for each step you have to cross 6 numbers. The first number represents the number of numbers you have to cross, and the second number represents the number of steps you have to move. So after moving 4 steps, finally you will reach the number 24 on the number line. So that 24 will becomes the answer. That is 6 4s are 24. So see the children how we move the 4 steps. We have moved 4 steps. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each step, how many numbers we have crossed? So 6 steps. And again we have crossed 6 steps. Reached the 12. Again crossed the 6 steps. We have reached 18. And again crossed the 6 steps. 6 numbers. We have reached the number 24. Answer is 24. So children, in the same way, do the next problem. That is 3 into 7. That is, we have to multiply these 2 numbers on the number line. So how we have to multiply these 2 numbers on the number line? So here, the first number represents the number of numbers we have to cross. And the second number represents the number of steps we have to move. So how many steps we have to move? We have to move 7 steps starting from 0. So start from 0, move 7 steps, and in each step you have to cross 3 numbers. That is the first step from 0 to 3, and second step from 3 to 6, and the third step from 6 to 9. In this way, you have to move 7 steps forward by crossing 3 numbers in each step. Then finally, you have reached the number 21 after moving 7 steps. So the answer will become 21. That is 3 7s are 21. So see the children how we have moved the 7 steps. So the second number is 7. That's why we have to move 7 steps. So step 1 up to 3, step 2 up to 6, step 3 up to 9, step 4 up to 12, step 5 up to 15, step 6 up to 18, step 7 up to 21. So children, in this way, we have to do the multiplication on the number line. So again, see the next problem. So the next problem is 5 into 3. So that is, we have to multiply these 2 numbers on number line. So how can we do this multiplication on the number line? So as discussed in the 2 problems, first we have to start from 0. So while doing multiplication on the number line, first we have to start from 0. And how many steps we have to move? So what is the second number in the multiplication? 3. So here the second number represents the number of steps we have to move. So here the second number is 3. That's why we have to move 3 steps on the number line. And what is the first number here? 5. That means we have to cross 5 numbers in each step. So here cross 5 steps from 0, that is 0 to 5. It is the step 1. And again 5 to 10, it is the step 2. And again from 10 to 15, this is step 3. And finally we have reached the number 15 on the number line after moving 3 steps. So the answer is 15. 5 3s are 15. So children, so let's see the next problem here. That is 8 into 2. So we have to multiply these 2 numbers 8 and 2 on the number line. So the first step is we have to start from 0 on the number line. And how many steps we have to move? So what is the second number here? 2. So here the second number is 2. That's why we have to move 2 steps. That is step 1, step 2. And how many numbers we have to cross in each step? What is the first number here? 8. That's why we have to cross 8 numbers in each step. That is 0 to 8. This is the step 1. And again cross 8 steps. that is 8 to 16, that is the second step. And finally, we have reached the number 16 on the number line after moving 2 steps. So 16 will be the answer. 8 to the 16. So here children, so we have to count 8 numbers for each step. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the step 1. Again count 8 steps for the second step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the second step. So in this way, we have to move steps while doing multiplication on the number line. So note down these problems in your note.
High Call Series.